The deadlift is a super functional movement. As you can tell, we do this sort of thing all day long. We bend over, we pick things up, we grab something, stand up, put it on a shelf. So working on the deadlift is really super important, and using a band can really help strengthen this and intensify this. So getting in your kind of squat-like position with feet about hip width apart. You really want to utilize the band here for some extra resistance. And I like to start this exercise from a low position. I want to hinge at the hip, bend at the knee, and make sure I get low, but still have my glutes engaged. I take a nice big inhale, and then on the exhale, stand up, making sure that I'm not bearing down on my pelvic floor, that my pelvic floor is supported, and my abs are engaged. Stand up tall, regroup, take a nice inhale and exhale, and on that inhale, lower yourself down again, and on that exhale, stand back up again.